Audio test, give me any kind of audio.
Any kind of audio. I don't know what to say. I want to say something funny, but I don't want to force it. Because like the testing 1, 2, 3 is so like cliche and boring.
You want some? Want some more? Are we not entertained?
Oh, okay.
Action. It's a little off. One more, please. What? What was that, dude?
Action.
Action.
Boopity boppity boo. I was told to say something to you, so this is what I'm saying. Also, maple syrup pancake beer is very good.
Action.
Hey, the pizza guy. Because someone's been eating all my frozen pizzas.
Do you have a moment to talk about your car's extended warranty? Just gonna move my head like I'm actually telling you something interesting. Yes, your coat looks fantastic today.
Action. You okay?
Yeah.
Action.
Caitlin, do you have a... I got it! I got it!
I like whiskey and long walks on the beach. Also, there's no vodka in
yes.
this cup, only water, and I'm very sad about that. But not really, because I don't like vodka, I only like whiskey. Am I boring you? I hope I'm not boring you. What do you like to do in your free time? Oh, hold on, I forgot to tell you about this one time with my friend Pam, I must tell you.
Stop!
Rolling.
That better look good.
Everyone is trying to stop me from having my dirt. I forgot the rest of the lines. He just comes up and I'm like,
You're like the dirt.
the dirt.